So in this video, I'll show you how you can create a new X account if you already have one. So the most simple and effective way is just by using a different browser. For example, now I'm using Safari, which you guys can see, and then I'm using Google Chrome to create a new account. And you don't want to use incognito because it will put you into a ridiculous amount of fraud verification tests. So I'm just going to put the name right here, Albert something, and then the email. In the year, and then I click on next, then I click on sign up, and it will have me to authenticate my account. Sets I 7 this is 7 and 7. So if you didn't do this, you will get a ridiculous amount of so it was free, right? But if you use incognito, it will make you to do 10 steps of verification. So it will be very annoying. And then from right here, you can just log in into your email, and then you can put in the verification code, and like that you can create a new X account if you already have one. Well, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.